Okay, so now I'm just gonna talk about how to copy repository from GitHub. Okay, so first thing you need Git, and so how do you install? So Google it, Git install, and go to this website, and then you can install Git. So make sure you install this thing. All right. And now open VS Code or command line. If you prefer command line, then that's totally fine, like this. Anyway, all right, let's use VS Code, and make sure you use Bash or something like this, or not like PowerShell or stuff like that. You can change command line from here. If you use Windows, maybe default is PowerShell, but make sure you use Bash. Okay, and git clone, and then the repository URL you wanna copy. Okay, so go to GitHub website. Let's say you wanna copy this repository. Then you click this button and copy it. To copy this URL. Now you paste it, this URL, and then enter. Now you have now I have installed this copy this repository. See this thing. So now I can use I can see this thing using browser. Yeah, browser. You can open a text file, or MP4 file, or HTML file, like a lot of file you can open browser. So drag and drop. Now you see HTML file right here. See, and you can change. If you wanna change it, you can do that. Like let's see here. I'm just gonna change this thing. All right, let's see. And then Control S, then save, and then you reload it, and I see this change, right? And then if you click F12, then you can see this developer tool. Yeah, any browser they have like so many good developer tool. So you can see HTML file, or look at the console, and yeah, and yeah. Okay, so now next, how do you edit code from GitHub? So you can do this. You can do this. You can actually edit code from GitHub website. So you go any code you want to edit. You see this button right here, edit this file. Then just click it. Then you can see like this. I have changed this a little bit. Now you can confirm change. Then you can change this file, right? I'm not gonna do this, but yeah, but you can edit code from GitHub as well. Yep.